I've been on top for a while. That's how I chip it to the moon. Fast car make gon' vroom vroom. Take it to the boom boom room. I'm a visionary. I got the niggas scared. Bought a big paddock with a brand new wrist set. Inside the new Maybach coupe in the butter jelly.
Hello sweeties, welcome back. Today we're doing Luvme hair. They sent me over a 5x5 Pixie wig. It has 3 combs in the top, a glueless band, a comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. This wig comes pre-plucked with pre-bleached knots, so we're taking it straight out of the box. So now I'm going in with my E-Bend Tinted Lace spray in medium brown, and I'm just going to give that one good coat. Today we're doing like a glueless install, so I'm going in with my E-Bend Wonder Lace spray. So I'm going to do 3 layers of this. Each layer I will lightly blow dry it on a low heat just to get that layer tacky. Then I will spray again and repeat the process. Now I'm just going to take my elastic band and tie it down so it can get nice and set in that spray. Then you can give it a quick blow dry to kind of help speed the process along. So now it's time to cut off the lace. I'm just gonna split that in half, and I'm gonna take a razor and just get as close to the hairline as possible without cutting myself, and cut all that lace off. And do not forget those like little pieces on the very end. They don't need to be there, so cut it off. And then I'm going to go in with my Got To Be spray to further melt down anything that may have lifted or just didn't get put down in the first place. And again, use a low heat to dry it. So while I finish up this install, I kind of want to give you guys my final thoughts. I do feel like this wig is a little mature. It's not for everyone. It's giving, you know, it's not right, but it's okay. 98 Whitney Houston, you know, I'm going to a parent conference. I definitely think they should give this more of a up-to-date feel. It's not a bad cut. It's nice and feathered, but it's just not fully giving for me. But I'm gonna rock it for y'all and show y'all what it's giving. Honestly, I'm gonna probably close up that part and cut more of a bold pixie cut or more of a traditional pixie cut into this wig. That's more my style. But yes, I do feel like this could be updated. But other than that, the lace was phenomenal. They bleached the knots really well. It was pre-plucked well. I don't really have any complaints. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Go ahead and finish up this review, and I'll see you guys in the next one.